Hi, my name's Pat with GSM Innovative Products Incorporated. Thank you for watching our installation video, which will show you the proper installation procedures for installing the suspension protection system and the proper installation procedures for our additional product line, cross-member protection system. Of course, all of our products are proudly made in the USA. Included with each wear pad are installation instructions and a bolt kit. The installation instructions are specific to each wear pad and should be followed to ensure proper installation. The bolt kit includes all hardware needed to install the wear pad to the OEM part. The hardware should be used to ensure that the strength and durability standards needed to secure the EWP wear pads in place are met. Safety first. Always use OSHA-approved trailer lifts and blocking when raising or working under any tractor or trailer. OSHA guidelines should be followed at all times. Before you install the EWP wear pads, now would be a good time to inspect the mechanical components of the suspension. Make sure the suspension is in good working condition. This would include spring saddles, torque arm bushings, and equalizer bushings. The suspension also should be fitted with the correct springs for the application, as well as making sure the suspension is level. Remember that a level and properly aligned suspension will assure that you will get the maximum life out of the EWP wear pads. When we talk about the suspension being level, we are also talking about equipping the entire unit with the wear pads. We recommend that the wear pads be installed at all spring contact points to ensure a level suspension. If you choose not to install them in the entire suspension, it may cause the suspension to be unlevel and cause improper wear to the wear pads. EWP stickers are provided to place on the rear of the unit that has the installed wear pads. They act as a reminder to inspect the suspension. Routine inspections should be performed to ensure that the wear pads are in place. The yellow color of the part makes it visible for the technician during inspection or the driver on his daily walk-around. By the way, next time you're speccing out a new piece of equipment, don't forget to ask to have the EWP suspension protection system installed right at the factory. Experience the protection of EWP right from the start of your equipment's life cycle. The top of the hanger wear pad must be installed on the axle side of the hanger. It is important that you follow the specific installation instructions for each hanger wear pad number. The drilling location of each OEM hanger and EWP hanger wear pad needs to be followed closely. This is very important. Installation procedures must be followed to ensure that the wear pad stays in the proper position and that the wear pad performs to its maximum potential. Incorrect installation may result in the wear pad being pushed out by the spring. It will also result in the hanger not being protected. The tools needed for installing the hanger wear pads include one drill motor, one 5/16, one 11/32, and one 3/8 drill bit, one white marker, also one 9/16 wrench, one 9/16 deep well socket, one 3/8 drive ratchet, one 1/2 inch deep well socket, and one 1/2 inch end wrench. The EWP hanger wear pad hole placement must be marked and drilled for each wear pad. You will use the hole in the fender washer from the bolt kit as a guide to mark the wear pad for hole drilling. It is important to use the recommended drill bit. First, you must locate the top of the wear pad. Each wear pad has a picture in the installation instructions to assist you in finding the top. In general, the top is located on the wear pad's shorter, flat side. Mark the location as top. I put a T here to mark it. Place the fender washer on the top outer edge of the wear pad so that it is positioned on this edge and also in the middle of the 2 3/4 inch wide part. Mark the drill hole position through the washer, like so. Remove and set the washer aside until bolt installation, and then drill the marked hole location with a 3/8 inch drill bit. It's recommended that existing wear pads, protection products, old existing welds, and fasteners be removed before installation of the EWP wear pads. If the wear pad is installed over a sharp object, it may cut into the wear pad and cause the wear pad to be damaged. If you install the wear pads over an old style steel wear pad, there must be no sharp edges. Each OEM hanger needs to have a hole drilled in it to attach the wear pad. Do not use pre-drilled holes that may be in the OEM hanger from the manufacturer. Hole size needs to be exact. Therefore, if an OEM hanger has an existing hole in it, you still must drill a bolt hole for the EWP wear pad. Hold the wear pad in place. You will use the wear pad that has been drilled as a guide to mark the OEM hanger for hole drilling. So make sure that the wear pad is in the center of the width of the hanger. The gap should be even on both sides. Using the pre-drilled wear pad hole as a guide, mark the spot that you will be drilling into the OEM hanger. The wear pad should be positioned so that the 3/8 wear pad hole is on the axle side of the OEM hanger. Remove and set aside the hanger wear pad until bolt installation. Drill an 11/32 hole into the OEM hanger. Make sure you're using the correct drill bit, 11/32. Hanger wear pad needs to be placed properly into the OEM hanger. Hold the wear pad in place, and the EWP wear pad shape will conform to the shape of the inside of the OEM hanger. Place the 3/8 fender washer on the wear pad over the drill hole. Put the self-tapping bolt through the fender washer, then the wear pad, then the OEM hanger. Make sure that the fender washer is directly on the wear pad. Ready to go. Okay, we've secured the bolt in place, and here we have the proper installation for the HH wear pad. You can see it looks nice, it's tight. Also, it's a good idea to check your fasteners periodically. Recheck the fasteners to make sure that they have not loosened. Retighten if necessary. The wear pad system is really a good general maintenance system. Also, one of the best things about the wear pad system is replacing the wear pads. They're very easy to do. There's no welding. It's not like steel wear pads. You just pop your couple bolts off, put your new wear pad in, and you're on the road in minutes. So we want to just thank you for watching our video and to learn more about the wear pad system and how to properly install the wear pads. We think this is very important. We take our business seriously. And if you want to find out more, go to www.warepad.com, and we have plenty of information on there if you want to find out where to buy the wear pads, who to buy them from, and any type of information and contact information to get a hold of us. Again, thank you for watching our video.